We're driving in snow.
First time.
First time. And how are you feeling about that?
Excited.
Excited. So
Worried.
Worried. Worried. So,
Yeah.
so what's worrying you? Tell me.
The speed.
The speed.
What? Usually we go 60, 70.
And what do you think you need to do on the main road then?
We'll go less now.
A lot less, isn't it?
A lot less.
What about on this road here in front of you?
This one.
This is the 30-mile-an-hour road.
Can go 30, less than 30. Around 25 to 30. Maximum 30.
But what would you do today on this?
On this I can go slower even.
Yeah,
slower.
how slow do you think you're going to go?
20. More.
Lower?
Lower.
Go on, keep going.
Okay, 10. Less than 10.
Between 5 and 10. Maybe less than that. Depends on how slippy it is and how deep it is. Start off slow is the key.
Okay.
If you go like 15, 20, there's a risk you're going to skid.
Yeah. It's sometimes.
Is this truck in front of you?
Yeah.
He locked his wheels in, skidding.
Oh my God.
He's going to have to reverse back there, I think. Oh, he's just about made it. And he's going too fast. And he's locked his wheels. That's a great example of a bad driver, isn't it? Because if he's going to drive something big, he needs to look into the road he's going to go into. Because it's a little bit slushy on that one, but icy and snowy on here. So he needs to remember that. So the key is slow, early on the brakes, but early and soft is the key, not hard.
Brake,
if you go hard, you're going to lock the wheels up.
Yeah.
All right, and you're going to skid, just like he did then.
That's one.
All right, and go around the corners slowly. So look into the road you're going to go into. All right, I'll talk you through how we're doing it.
Okay.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Let's go. We're going to turn right at the end of here.
Right. Okay.
Okay. And remember, just gentle on the gas, gentle with the clutch. If you jump off it, you're gonna feel the car lose grip, and it might even get the. That's it. Hold it there, and check. Is it clear? Check. Check.
Oops.
I said check. No.
Check.
You're not checking. Just feel it in. Put the foot on the brake. All right. Check again. See, I put the foot on the brake then just for a second, and the car's sliding, isn't it?
Yeah.
You were rushing then.
I was looking to the van because it was coming.
And where'd you look? Right,
yes,
left, right. You know what to do. Now, take your time. We're going to go left.
Go left.
And just lift off that gas. Just take your time. And just check to your right and left. If it's clear, we're going to go. But if you're not sure, just slow down, expecting stop.
Okay.
That's it. That's the idea. We're going to go left at the roundabout. And then just check. Just ease off the gas gently and just check to your right. That's it. Now, the roads we're going to go on now have been treated, which means they've got rock salt on them. It's melting rock salt, it's called, which melts the ice and the snow. So it looks like it's just wet, doesn't it?
Yes.
So you can go a reasonable speed, but bear in mind that the temperature is -1, so you don't want to go too fast. So I'd think on this road, 40 is probably a really good speed. Anything faster than that is riskier.
Okay.
We're going to go left at the roundabout, but also bear in mind, slow down early. Yeah. Now, if it was snowy on, you wouldn't touch that. You'd be probably doing about 5 or 10 miles an hour again.
Okay.
And then just take your time. That's it. That's the idea. And you'll find that with these roundabouts, wherever you are, if there's snow on the ground, there were like tracks where people have been using it.
Okay.
And bits where they haven't been using it. And you see in the middle where it's slushy,
yes,
you don't want to go on that because that's going to be slippery. And it's the same on the left where the curb is, it's going to be slushy. See the little slip road there?
Yes.
It's as you go into your estate, you'd be slowing down for that because it's going to be slippery.
Okay, so 40 is good here.
40 yeah, I won't go above 40. You know, and that way, you know, it's safe, isn't it?
Yes.
Because all you're going to do is cause a problem for yourself. We're going to go right at the roundabout. Taking the third exit. How are you feeling now?
Good. Yeah.
And then start off the gas, start slowing down nice and early. Bring that speed down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. See the right lane's a little bit snow on it?
Yeah.
Bring it down nice and early so you're not breaking out at the end. It's easy to turn. Now start checking. That's it. Because what you don't want to do is take risks. See, in the left lane, then there's snow on the left side, wasn't there?
Yes.
So if it's fresh snow, you'll end up having one lane on the roundabout instead of two, where people are just using one lane to get through. So on the exit here, don't accelerate too hard. Just take your time to get around the bend. Otherwise, you're going to risk spinning the wheels.
Yeah.
You know, if you misjudge it and it's a bit icy, because I know it's got rock solid now, but tonight, later on, that could be icy, that. Because it's you know, -1 degrees, it ain't going to suddenly dry up on you. It's going to stay as it is, and it's going to rise up tonight. Oh. And the side roads will be worse tomorrow. We're going to go right at the roundabout third exit, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into a side road where it's going to be snow.
Okay.
And if you brake hard on snow, you're going to get your wheels locking where it loses the grip.
Okay.
So if we start slowing down for the roundabout again, that's it. Just bring your speed right down. So if you have to stop, it's easier. So it looks a bit wet here, doesn't it? So take your time and start checking. That's it. Just take your time like that. And if snow's covering a curb, avoid snow, because that could be the curb, couldn't it? That's it. Keep going round. Let everyone know you're coming off. So yeah, cautiously. And it's deceiving, because if you're driving roads like this for a long period of time, and then you're going to say your work's going to be in a side road, you see how slippy that is there?
Yes.
We're taking not this one, but the next one. Because that could be quite dodgy, couldn't it?
Oh.
And start slowing down now. Slowing down, slowing down, slowing down. So that's it. So you're doing things a lot earlier. And start coming off the gas, slowing down. See how it's getting slicker? Take your time, check, off the brake, and just let the car carry itself. If you're braking on the bend, there's a risk of skidding. And just go slow. So you just brake a bit more and you feel the wheels lock. That's what happened.
Wow.
And just take your time. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull over by that lamppost on the left, but we're going to come in slowly. So start braking early, lower the clutch down, and then just take your time coming in, just so you're not braking hard. If you go into the curb fast and brake late, you're going to lock the wheels and skid into the curb.
Okay.
Happy? Yeah? So it slowly does it, isn't it?
Yes.
That's the key. Any questions?
No.
We happy to carry on?
Yes.
All right. If you've enjoyed this quick video on driving in snow with Jamila, all right, just an experience for her, you know, then give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, click on that subscribe button, everybody. Take care, everybody. Bye.